Myself, Mayuresh Pawar from 8th standard. He is Vishwajit Pared from 10th standard. We are
Kudal's young innovators. This project comes under the theme of energy and transportation in ATL Marathon 2021. This is our project is based on control of carbon emission through sugar factories and other industries. This is our prototype. This prototype will explain by Mayuresh.
This is sugar factory. This is
Compressor
compressor room.
This is our chimney. These are the sprinklers fitted on the top of the chimney in an angle of 45 degrees. This is the water supply comes through the compressor room and to the sprinklers. The data and working of this project will explain like our project. This is a very larger problem in our India, because of India is the second largest producer of sugar. Sugar industry emits this nearby 6 million tons of carbon in a whole year. This 1 ton of carbon is equivalent to 366 tons of carbon dioxide. These sugar factories emits the sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur oxide. Our project is that these consist of ash, and this ash is spread over the nearby 5 to 6 alien kilometers. These carbon particles leads to us to greenhouse effect, global warming, and respiratory problems to nearby civilians. Our solution of this project is that in a rainy season there is no dust in our surrounding. How is possible? This is possible only because of rain. In a rainy season, droplets can dissolve these dust particles and other polluting factors in droplets and settles down the earth. As like this, we can produce the artificial rain. This leads to us the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, all these gases and dust particles and purest form of carbon ash can dissolve this water, and this water settles down the earth. There is no problem for water supply because of we are using compressed water. How compressed water is required in a less amount and works in an effective way. This project is complete in less than 10 lakh rupees, so that this project is very cost effective, and this project leads to us will control the carbon emission and pollution in a maximum way. We can, if we collect these water particles and carbon particles, we can separate carbon and water, and this water will reuse, and these carbon particles sent to the other industries who works on the carbon. Credits of this project is this prototype is made by Mayuresh, and solution and data finding and data collection is made by me. In this project, our mentor Vyam Samant sir and other people are helping this project. We are thanking them for their guidance. Thank you.